What's up, guys? It's JamJack7070 with part 2 of the platformer tutorial in Scratch. And last episode we made movement and jumping for our player. And in this episode we're going to make enemies. So, in my Scratch profile, I made a link in the description. You can see that there's a Goomba physics. So just go in there if you need the Goomba Sprite and put it in your backpack. And then just go back to the project. And just put it back in. And then just put it in your project. And you can delete all of this. And these variables. It's going to set the size to like 20. Maybe. No, it's too small. Maybe 40. 30. Perfect. And now, we're going to start coding our enemy. Just going to move over there. So, in Mario, the Goombas, so when they hit a wall, they deflect off the wall. So I'm just going to update my level here a little. So there's a little area for the Goomba to go in, like a little pen for the Goomba. Okay. Now I'm going to want to duplicate that. Copy and paste. There. I'm just going to do this. Oh yes, and we are going to, next episode we are going to do wall collision. Because I forgot to do that in the player sprite. In the player we forgot to do wall collision, so yeah. Okay, so now that I updated my level, I'm just going to spread it out a little more. I will make there. Because then I probably can go for a wall. So we don't want that, so we're going to do that in the next episode. But right now we're making enemies. So when flag clicked, we're going to make a block and go to X, add an input called X, add a label called Y, and then add another input called Y. And do not hit the run front screen refresh, just hit OK. And we are going to drag our Goomba to a position we want it to go. I'm going to do 134 minus 30. You know what? 99, no, 100 minus 66. And then in here we are going to go to the X and Y. So like if I have this all the way over here, it's going to go right there, which is good. Now we're just going to put that to the side. And we're going to make some variables. We're going to call it direction movement for this sprite only. Y for this sprite only. And I think that should be it for now. And we're going to need now forever. What's that one called? Okay, yeah. We're going to need forever. No, we're going to need a block called run Y scripts. So, without hitting run front screen first. And then in here, we're going to do basically the same exact thing for a player here. if else, if not touching level, change y by -1, else if touching level, set y to 0 and change y by 1. But yes, we did do change y by -1 after this, but if we do that, that will cause glitches when colliding to the wall, so we're not going to do that. And I'm just going to delete these falling sprites. There. Okay. So, oh yeah, now I'm going to change at the top of the y script. We're going to change y by y. And then there. There. Is it touching the level? Yes. Perfect. And when the green flag is clicked, we're going to want to set the direction movement to left. Okay. And now we're going to do like a block run X script, and then we're also going to do, and then we're going to make another one of these, and we're just going to delete this, and we're going to do, instead of run Y script, we're going to run X script. And then in the run X script, we are going to do if else, if direction movement equals left, and then we're going to duplicate this and get an if then and put it in the else, and then we're going to direction left. And then we're going to put repeat until in both of them, and then we're going to do repeat until touching level in both of them. Change X by -5 in the first one, and then in the next one, change X by 5. Now we'll do 3. But that's the problem. So we have to fix that. Because it's literally like climbing the wall and then continuing its path. So that doesn't happen. For that not to happen, we are going to need to do, after the first repeat until, set direction movement to right instead of left. And then in the other one, set direction movement to left instead of right. And then we're going to want to change X by -5 in the second one. And then in the first one we're going to want to change X by 5. And then we have our script here. It's a little buggy for now. And now we're going to want to do when flying clicked forever. So there's these walking sprites. Goomba 2 and 3 are the walking ones. So we're going to want to do this costing the Goomba 2 with 0.1 seconds. So it's costing the Goomba 3. There. I know it's a little glitchy, but it's fine for now. What if I set these numbers to 5? Okay, I looked free. I'm gonna set this to minus. No, wait, what if we do minus like 2? I'm just testing. There, yeah, that's better. Just set these numbers to instead of 5 to 2. So like, after setting the direction to right, change x by 2. And then after setting the direction to left, change x by minus 2. And then that should make it smoother. So next episode we are going to make enemy stomping, so our player can stomp on this Goomba or enemy. And we're also going to make wall collision. We're basically sort of going to use the exact same thing as the Goomba, except it's not going to deflect, it's going to stay there. And so that's it for this episode. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't yet. And yeah, see you in the next part.